everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm super excited because my kitchen is being fixed today and I plan on waking up so early so I can start filming from the beginning, but the guy came super early and he already started, so as you can hear, he's already started working. So I'm just gonna take some videos of how the installing is being done so you can also see. But super excited. I've been waiting for this kitchen forever. Yeah, so I'll update you. Okay, so
it's a good house later.
machine gun. Hi Lisa, I told you we got a kitchen soon, so we can bake cake, we can bake pie, we can do a lot of things, right?
Hi, Mama.
Yeah.
Where's somebody?
Okay. Hey, okay, it's battery on the floor.
It's not as easy as it looks. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm unveiling my kitchen. Finally. So, this is what we have. We got an oven, a microwave, a black top to match with something in there. And I like this last part, the glass door part. Really nice. And down here, I'll give you a proper tour, but for now, just a sneak peek, right? So that's it for now. Catch you in the next.